Today we are going to continue from where we stopped. Please don't stop following us. Follow us to the end and always do what you are expected to do. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you. The first question says, the circumference of a circular track is 9 kilometers. A cyclist rides around it a number of times and stops after covering a distance of 302 kilometers. How far is the cyclist from the starting point? Oh, this is quite simple. The circumference is 9 kilometers and the cyclist rides around it covering a distance of 302 kilometers. All we're going to do is divide this number by the length of the circumference of the track, and that is going to be 302 over 9, and that is going to be 9 in 30, 3 remainder 3, 32, that is 3 remainder 5. All right, remainder 5. Okay, so it means at the 33 rounds, the cyclist will be at the starting point again. So then at this point, that is 5 kilometers, the remainder will be the new position of the cyclist. Therefore, the correct option is A, which is 5 kilometers. The second question states, simplify 2 root 7 minus 14 over root 7 plus 7 over root 21. All we need to do here is to add it, subtract and add the fractions we have. The LCM is root 21. Okay, we're going to make this one over 1. So root 21 divided by 1 is going to be root 21, and root 21 times 2 root 21 is going to give us 2 root 147 minus root 21 divided by root 7. We're going to have root 3. Root 3 times 14, we're going to have 14 root 3. Then we continue, plus root 21 by root 21 is going to give us 1. Then 1 times 7 will be equal to 7. All right. So the next step, we're going to have that is 2 root 49 times 3 minus 14 root 3 plus 7 over root 21. All right. So at this point, we're going to have the root of 49 is 7. 7 times 2 is going to be 14 root 3. We'll leave that in the root since it has no exact root. Then minus 14 root 3 plus 7 all over root 21. And this is going to give 14 root 3 minus 14 root 3 can go off. Then we're going to have 7 over root of 21. Now we have to rationalize this expression, and we're going to do that by multiplying the top by root 21 and the bottom by root 21 as well. And this is going to give 7 root 21 over 21. And when we simplify the expression, we're going to have 7 here 1, 7 here 3. So we're going to have root 21 over 3. And that is the correct answer. So the correct option will be C. The correct option will be C. Now, number 13. If 4x plus 2y equal to 16 and 6x minus 2y equal to 4, find the value of y minus x. This is a simultaneous equation. So let's quickly do that. 4x plus 2y equals 16, and then 6x minus 2y equals 4. We're going to use elimination method to eliminate y now. And doing that, we're going to sum, because we have positive and negative. So we quickly sum the two equations, equation 1, equation 2. Okay, 4x plus 6x will give us 10x, and 2y plus minus 2y will give 0, so they can go. Then 16 plus 4 will give 20. Therefore, to find x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 10. So we have here by 10, here also by 10. That is to say, this can go with this, leaving us with x equal to 20 divided by 2 by 10, we give 2. Now, to find the value of y, we substitute into any of this equation the value of x that we have found. And let's substitute to equation 1 and see. We're going to have 4x plus 2y equal to 16. So anywhere we see x now, we put 2. So it's going to be 4 into 2 plus 2y equal to 16. And 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2y equal to 16. So we're going to have 2y equal to 16 minus 8. And that is 8. So from here we've gotten 2y to be equal to 8. To obtain the value of y now, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. And when we do that, we're going to have 2 go off. Y will be equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Now back to the original question. The question say, find the value of y minus x. So y is 2, y minus x. Okay, so we're going to have y is 4 minus x is equal to 2. And this will give us 2 as our final answer. Therefore, the correct answer is 2, and the correct option is B. Now, question number 14. Given that R is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to P. Okay, let's quickly write this out. 3. We have R directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to P. That is to say, R will be equal to KL over P, where K is a constant of proportionality. Now, the expression says R is equal to 3 when L is equal to 9. So let's do that, and L is equal to 9 and P is equal to 0.1. So let's substitute this value first. We're going to have R to be equal to 3, and we do not know our K for now. L is given as 9 over 0.1, which is a P. So we make this over 1, and we're going to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we're going to have 1 times K times 9. We're going to have 9K equals 0.1 times 3. And then we have 3 times 0.1, which is 0.3. All right. To obtain the value of K, we divide both sides by the coefficient of K, which is 9. So we have here over 9, this over 9. And that is going to give us K to be equal to 0.3 over 9. And this is same as 1 over 30. Okay. Now, the question says, find R when L is equal to 15 and P equal to 1.8. So we're going to go back to the expression again. R is equal to K. I've gotten our K already. We may use 1 over 30 now times the new L given 15, and then over P is given as 1.8. All right. So we may still express it in a way that would be simpler for us to quickly express. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 30 times 15 times, we're going to have this 18 over 10. So we can quickly reciprocate it as 10 over 18. So this will be the expression, and you're going to have 10 here, 1, 10 here, 3. Correct? Then we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5. So we're going to have 1 times 5 times 1 is going to be 5 over 1 times 18 is going to be 18. And when we convert this to decimal, we're going to have, all right, so we quickly fix the letters that we're missing. We have angle BAD to be equal to T, which is given here. Angle EDF is equal to 70 given. Find the value of T. You have to find this value. Take note of that. All right. It is quite simple. We have many ways to do that. We can say this angle is equal to 70 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Recall angles between lines. So if here is 70, here also will be 70. And recall also that t plus 70 will be equal to 180. Base angles of a parallelogram will be 180 when added together. So we're going to have t to be equal to 180 minus 70, and that will be equal to 110 degrees. So the correct option is D, which is 110 degrees. There are other ways we can reason this out. If we like, we can say project this very angle to this lens, for instance, and this angle will be equal to 70 degrees because corresponding angles are equal, and 70 plus t are on the same straight line, so their sum should give 180 degrees. Angles on sum of angles on a straight line, and when you subtract 70 from 180, definitely your answer will be 110. Please don't forget to subscribe to Maths Guru channel, and we are always ready to put you through anytime you have problem in your mathematics. Thank you. Bless you. Stay cool and stay tuned.